Society, the Self-Preservation Society.
Films for the new season on One.
Hey, man.
Carter didn't tell me about the eyewitness.
Yeah, Amish kid, 8 years old. I'm a police officer, ma'am. I have to talk to the boy.
You don't understand. We have nothing to do with your laws.
Yes, I do. Your son's a material witness to a homicide.
If they find me, they find the boy.
You bring this man to our house, you bring fear to this house.
Everyone has an idea about you and the Englishman.
We know where you are.
Harrison Ford and Kelly McGillis star in Witness on Tuesday at 9:30 on One.
In just under 15 minutes, Hugh Scully reflects on 10 years of the Antiques Roadshow. First, a cartoon double bill with that irrepressible Woody Woodpecker.
Guess who?
Truce before it's too late.
It's already too late, Gerald. Come with me on this trip. I need you.
I'm afraid I've got some bad news. There's been a message from the Coast Guard. An aircraft went down in the early hours of this morning.
Howard's Way is back with a new series tonight at 7:45 on BBC1.
The new battle for Britain in 45 minutes examines the growing demand to acquire possession of a piece of our countryside. First on One, we look back over 10 years of the Antiques Roadshow.
Ten years ago, a group of antiques experts from all over Britain came here to Hereford to make a television programme. It was, for most of them, a unique experience, not least because few had any knowledge of television, and the programme they were to record that day had never been tried before. The experiment, for that's what it was, had the working title Antiques Roadshow.
And the recording here in Hereford that day posed a number of questions. Would anything more than a handful of local people turn up, and even if they did, would they bring with them antiques of sufficient merit and interest to make good television entertainment? Well, now, some 90 programmes later, we can look back and say all those questions have been answered in the positive. Yes, many hundreds, indeed thousands of people come along to our Antiques Roadshows, and they bring with them an extraordinary collection of the interesting, the rare, the valuable, and sometimes the bizarre. This programme marks the beginning of our 10th anniversary series. It's an affectionate look back over those years on the road.
The first presenter of the Antiques Roadshow was Bruce Parker. Bruce presented the series that firmly established the popular appeal of the programme.
A sort of